To redeem your ADCB TouchPoints is very easy, guys. As you can see on the screen, I can add my ADCB bank card here and I check my balance TouchPoints. So I have 8,310 TouchPoints, which I can redeem for 49.86 dirhams. You can redeem these TouchPoints right now for cash by ordering food on the Noon app. But before even I do that, let me show you how you can use these TouchPoints to pay your bills. Remember, everything is done online. So start by logging in into your ADCB mobile banking app. Once you have logged in, scroll a little bit down until here where you will see the TouchPoints section. To proceed, click on your TouchPoints. As you can see, you can send these TouchPoints as a gift to your friends that have ADCB accounts. It's very easy, guys. Just select the reason for this gift. Tap on the continue button, enter their mobile number, and again tap on the continue button. That's it. But to pay bills using your TouchPoint, simply click here on the pay bills button. So guys, once you tap on the pay bills button, you can see add new beneficiary button right here and also the instant payment button here. Also, all your added beneficiaries will be revealed here down below. But for the sake of this video, let us click on tap a new beneficiary. First, we have telecom companies. You can use your TouchPoints to buy balance for your Do or your Etalat SIM card. We can also use our TouchPoints to pay utility bills like Diwa, Sewa, and many more. And lastly, we can use our ADCB TouchPoints to pay for Null and Salik. So let's say that you want to redeem your points for Do balance on your mobile number. Come here and select Telecom and then select Do. Click on the drop down button and then select Do Prepaid Recharge. Enter your mobile number and your nickname and then tap on continue. So once you have added this mobile number as your beneficiary, it can be yours or for your friend. Come down here in your beneficiary list and then select this number. Confirm the account from which you're going to make your payment from by tapping here on the drop down button and select TouchPoints rather than your bank account. You can now enter the amount you want to recharge in dirhams depending on your TouchPoints balance and then tap on the continue button. To finalize, simply slide this button to confirm this transaction. So now let us see how you can redeem your ADCB TouchPoints for cash or food on the Noon app. Once you are on the Noon app, under the Noon food section, select any food item that you want to buy. Simply add the item to your Noon cart and then proceed to check out. Once you are on the Noon checkout section, scroll a little bit down until here on the payment methods. You will see different payment methods like the debit card, Noon One, Apple Pay, cash on delivery, and then ADCB TouchPoints. Select ADCB TouchPoints. This new window will be open. Enter your ADCB card number. Enter your card expiry date and your card CVV. Remember, the Noon app is very secure. Once you have added all your card details, tap on the add and check balance button. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number that is registered to your ADCB account. Go ahead and enter this OTP. Now, the available touch points on your ADCB account will be revealed and the amount in dirhams for which you can redeem it for. Tap on the done button. You can go ahead and place your order. You can repeat this again and again until all your ADCB touch points are finished.